Hey guys, welcome to a video where today I'm going to be doing the no bowl slime challenge, which is basically where you make slime without a bowl or utensil, so basically just like in your table. So this is the short version of this video. I'm going to be making two versions, the long version and the short version. This one is going to be the short version with the voiceover, and then I'm going to be uploading another one that has me actually talking, not in the voiceover. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. They got a shout out because on my Instagram account they actually followed it. So if you guys want a shout out, you have to subscribe to my vlog channel, which is Frecta Vlogs, or follow me on Instagram, and I have to see that you actually did that. You have to comment it and then I will give you a shout out. But the rules will be in the description box down below if you guys want a shout out. So let's get started. I'm going to be using some white Elmer's glue. And I'm going to be making fluffy slime, so I'm going to be using shaving gel, some lotion, and to color the slime I'm going to be using markers. And I kind of ran out of shaving cream, so that's why I'm using the shaving gel. So the first thing I did was obviously put in the glue on the table, and I thought it would go everywhere, but surprisingly it didn't. So then I added in my shaving gel, as you guys can see, and then I'm adding in the lotion just so it can be a little bit stretchier and last longer. So obviously, since I didn't have any utensils, I'm using my finger. And since the shaving gel is blue, the slime is blue too. So I forgot to say this, but I'm also using slime activator, which is borax and water. Again, I'm just using my hand now. So it actually wasn't that messy like I thought it would be. So I just continued adding in the borax until it was no longer sticky. Then here I'm just grabbing it and kneading it. So since it wasn't really that fluffy, I decided to add in more shaving gel. And it kind of got it a little bit more fluffy, but not that fluffy. So then it's time to color the slime. Here I'm just using marker to color it. And I'm going to color it purple and red so it can be like magenta. So here is how the slime turned out. So this was actually a success, guys. It actually worked. And it wasn't as messy as I thought it would be. So this is how the slime turned out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe. And if you guys want a shout out, check out the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video.